this inside, trying to check whether the pipes are all projected. Another pipe being projected. Another pipe. The bedroom, the washroom, the switch to the washroom. These are the switch for a control switch, the AC switch. They are all here. And we have where we place the AC. So we'll be going to the top. So as you can see, this is the layout. This is the layout. Yeah. So this side is the corridor. This side the corridor. This side the entrance. This side is the kitchen. As you can see, the beam will always let you know where you are. This is the hall. You have the fan and the light as well. You come here. That's now TV outlet for antenna. There are two pipes, as you can see. One is for the air conditioning. So this is where the air conditioning linked to that the bedroom. So the air conditioning switch, the outlet of the air conditioning switch, and the control switch of the light, as you can see. So this is the control circuit at the middle, linking to the entrance of the bedroom, link to the washroom. So this is the washroom. So it's a one bedroom, self-contained, but we have done with this first layout. I hope another time we'll come and continue with this one. This one's not yet done. Preparing for stones. Preparing for stones. As you can see, we are preparing for stones. It's a new area. Don't hesitate to call us. We're always there, available for you all the time. Bye.